that's where those connectors are coming in. And so I'm reading 240 volts on both sides. And we got a problem this morning. No water. One of the bummers about being on a well pump is sometimes problems will happen. Like when we're out of power, then we need a generator in order for that well pump to go. But now this is the first time for us. We have all the power, and I need to diagnose why it is that we're not pulling in any water into the house. So let's diagnose it. All right, so first thing, you can kind of hear it's hollow up top, which it should be. But down there, it should feel filled. So this thing is empty. I'm guessing our diaphragm is bad, but there's this nipple up top. And I'm going to pressurize it. See if we can get that pressure up. So I need 2 hands for it in order to turn it on, but basically I'm just gonna put this in just like a bike pump and let you know what happens. Alright, so that did nothing. What I'm gonna do is manually try to get this on. And as you can see, I turn that on and nothing happens. And I've got these on. Got 240 coming through, so we do have power. All right, so aside from that, I've already got the power off, but what I was doing earlier is you just take this because it's plastic, so you don't have to worry about it. And I was pulling this off. And that's where those connectors are coming in. And so I'm reading 240 volts on both sides. I've got those connectors. There will be a small spark that comes through. Hollow. And so ultimately, unfortunately, it means probably my well pump is dead. So on to that guy next. The tunnel of doom. Oh, sorry. Let's see this thing.
That thing goes all the way past the finger.
Really? This is how deep my well is. You're seeing this whole line. Posted up on Facebook Marketplace. My buddy Jackson responded in. It's all the way over there. And